Okay, this is my environment. Big C, sales, accounts, where it is contacts, contacts also is there. First, creating new process builder. What is the name?
వేరేది ఏదో ఒకటి
Hmm.
సమ్ XYZ.
No problem, sir. This is another account.
ఓకే.
Inserting a new record using account object. Inserting a new record using account object. Expression also same. Here you can select the record changes. You can't say this. Good. Thank you, sir. Okay. Process builder. That is the name of process builder. Inserting a new record using account object. Next, add the object. In our scenario, what is the parent? Account is parent, child is contact.
ఆబ్జెక్ట్.
Whenever creating a record on parent object, that record automatically inserted into child record.
చైల్డ్ రికార్డ్, అకౌంటెంట్,
Okay.
కాంటాక్ట్.
But must and should satisfy these three conditions. What are the three conditions? Industry equal to banking, rating equal to hot, and active equal to S.
Yes.
If these three conditions are satisfied, then the
ఫీల్డ్స్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి.
yes sir, that parent record successfully inserted into child object. Okay.
ఎస్, కరెక్ట్.
Now select the parent object. What is the parent object? Account. Account is the parent object. What is the condition here? When the record is created and edited. Okay. Check this second condition. Not only for, sorry, it is the first, right here. It is the first one. Okay. So you can choose first one, a record is created. This one only. Next. Account record, it means we selected account object. Next, you can enter criteria. What is the criteria? A new record to contact object. Okay. What are the three conditions? You must and should satisfy these three conditions. First one is rating equal to hot. Look here. Rating, RATING. Rating, account rating equal to hot. If you want to add another condition, click on add row. What is the second condition? Industry equal to banking. Industry, INDUS. You can simply type some of the letters related to our field. Industry can select industry and choose. Industry equal to what industry? Look here, banking. I selected banking. Another condition also is there. Active equal to yes. You can add another row. Active. Active equal to yes. Okay. You must and should satisfy these three conditions. So I selected here and. Okay. Save. Up to here. Now I want to add action. Look here. Add action. What type of action? Create a record. Here, create a record, not email alert. Create a record. Okay. Selected. Okay. action name, creating a record on contact. Okay, record type. In which record you want to create, which account, which object you want to create a contact. Okay, contact. Select contact. So first populated one field. What is this field? It is a mandatory field. So that's why it automatically populated here. You must should enter these values first. Okay. Next, what type of value we can insert here? Type is field reference. Why? Because whenever insert details into parent record, that is account, that values are inserted into child record. So here you must also select type is field reference. Okay. Name, account name. Okay. What are the fields? Look here, name. Next, phone, account phone. Account phone is, look here, H1 phone. Home phone and mobile phone. These two, mobile phone, field reference, phone, account phone, choose. And also, what is next one? Other phone also. It's a mobile phone. Next, home phone also. Home phone also. Account phone. Choose. The next one, fax. Fax means here billing fax, I think. FAX. Look here, business fax. Business fax, field reference, account fax. Account fax. It means these are the fields related to child record. Okay. These are the field related to parent record. Whenever inserting a value into related parent record field, that value automatically stores inside child record. Okay, if you enter a name value into parent record, that value automatically inserted into child record last name field. Whenever enter a value into parent record phone number, that value automatically inserted into child record mobile number. Okay. So what are the fields you want to map? Business fax already, building street to building city, building state. Okay, it means mailing street.
ఈ రేటింగ్ అవి పెట్టుకుంటే అయిపోదా? ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు పెట్టాలి?
Rating.
రేటింగ్, బ్యాంకింగ్, ఇండస్ట్రీ అవి మూడు పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోదా?
No need, sir. No, not sir. Here our condition is like this. Okay. Condition is like this. You can copy these field values into in this child record. Okay. So that's why I'm copying. What are the criteria given by
ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ల ఇండస్ట్రీ రేటింగ్ యాక్టివ్ లేవు కదా మరి పేరెంట్ ల కాంటాక్ట్ ల అయినా ఫెచింగ్ అయిదా?
Yes sir, look here sir, these are the common fields. These are the common fields from parent and child object also. So that's why I am inserting. Okay sir, these are the common fields. What are the fields available on parent record? That fields also available on child record. So that's why I am copying this field to this field value into this field. Okay. Look here sir, it is, I think billing Right, sir. What is mailing street? Mailing street. Mailing. Mailing street. Mailing street equal to what it is billing street. Billing. Billing street. The mailing. Mailing city equal to field reference billing city. Okay, billing city only. Okay, billing city. Okay. Next, mailing. MAIL. Mailing state. Mailing state. Where is mailing state equal to field reference billing state. Where is the billing state? And mailing postal code into billing postal code. Billing postal code. And mailing country. It is mailing country. Mailing country and billing country. Okay, I think all fields over. Next, account ID. It is 8 7 minutes. Okay, after completing this, you can click on save button. Now I want to insert values on child record from parent record. These values are inserted into child record. These fields are related to parent and these fields are related to child. Whenever entering values into this parent fields, that field values are automatically inserted into child fields. That is the business logic. That is the conditions. Okay. Now I want to save this. Save. I want to activate this process builder. Activate. Confirm. Now check. I want to check this. Here account. I'm creating a new account. Name is Santosh Kumar. Phone number is 957307938. Rating equal to hot. What is the conditions? Rating equal to hot and industry equal to banking and active status equal to yes. Okay, rating equal to hot. First condition or industry equal to banking. What is the second condition? Look here, what is the second condition? Industry equal to banking. Where is industry equal to banking? What is the third condition? Active equal to yes. Okay. If these three conditions are true, then the these record values successfully inserted into child record. That is nothing but a contact. I am giving the remaining details as ownership is private and type equal to prospect. Banking sector already over 12,50,000 new account and where it is email address is Ashok B Cool 2015 @gmail.com. Here no email field on the account object, but this is a uh, feed. It is a custom field I created in account object. It is mandatory field in your environment. This field not available. Don't worry about it. Okay, it will not appear in your contact object. Why? Because it this field created by me, and also it is a mandatory field. Okay, billing address is Bhavangudi Junction, near NIIT. Billing city is Kakinada. Billing state is Andhra Pradesh. Postal zip code is 534447. Billing country is India. Okay. India. Okay. Priority is high. Okay. Remaining fields. I'm not entering remaining fields. Here I think fax number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm entering these values. Successfully created Santosh Kumar. And it is say activated or not. That's Santosh Kumar contacts. Where it is Santosh Kumar. Look here, Santosh Kumar already created. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot it here on field. That is account ID. I forgot this ID. So that's why here not linked. Right. Not linked to parent account to child account. I want to delete this contact and I want to delete this account also. But because some of the fields not entered, it is not linked parent to child. Why? Because here parent ID am not mapped. Record is inserted, but there is no relationship between parent and child. That relationship is possible through this account ID and the account ID. Okay. Now I want to modify my process filter. I want to clone this. Okay, same current process. Okay. Now I'm editing this, creating a new record. Look here, adding a row here. Account ID already populated. Reference to what about ID? ID means account ID. Here also account ID. Where is the account ID? Okay. Now the reference. Reference means it is a lookup field. This lookup field automatically inserted to here. Without this, we can't map these two objects. Okay, now I want to activate this. Confirm. Okay. Now I'm creating a new object. Ganesh Kumar. It is the rating value hot. Phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fax name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the sector? Industry, banking sector. Type equal to prospect. Ownership equal to private. And it is the third one. Yes. The three conditions must and should satisfy. Then only this record inserted into child record. Email, this field already I told it is a custom field I created inside my contact object. This is a shop b 2015 at the rate gmail.com. The billing state Plot number 201, Bhanagudi, Junction, Kakinada. This Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, and 50012, India. Want to copy this both. Customer priority is high. No need to give remaining fields. Want to save this contact. Already saved. It is contact field also saved. Ganesh Kumar already came. Details. Account ID. Account ID not created. Account name. Ganesh Kumar. Here also want to map. So this is the parent. This is the child. Okay. Here not inserted. Look here. Not inserted. No. New process. Process name is inserting a new record using account object API name, Control C and Control V. Want to save this? I change this name one. No, it changes. Okay, I want to edit this field. Wait, not this. Creating a record. Want to add another field. ID, account ID, field reference, ID. It is account ID. Save this. Save. Activate now. Step 2. Process of there. I want to deactivate first one. Okay, process builder. And to deactivate this one. So it is first one is sitting in new record. New record. Delete inactive. On this one. Go back. Process builder. This one only. I want to deactivate from. Go back. I want to delete this. This one old one. Look here. It is active. It is in active state. Okay. I want to create another record. Parent record now. I'm inserting Shahrukh Khan. Phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rating equal to hot. And, ownership equal to private banking sector, prospect banking sector, banking, and Angela Ashok @gmail.com. Patel Street. Mumbai. Building city is East Mumbai. East Mumbai, Maharashtra. LH. Zip code is 40012. India. Okay, I'm copying this board. What about Gitanjali Ashok I gave? And active status equal to yes. All the conditions are satisfied. Tax number is 1, 2, 3, saying this contact. These details automatically saved on contact. Look here. Now our conditions are met. This details automatically related to on contact details. Here, and our click this short form. Look here, automatically populated the values, whatever enter in the parent record. Okay, parent record is showed. Okay, the record successfully inserted on contact. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I think all of you understood.